Mr. President, what are the skills we want our young adults to have so that they can navigate life successfully after they leave school? A car is often the first item on the agenda, which usually means a loan, which means understanding investment, loans, percentage rates, and how long it will take you to pay it off and how much interest you will pay, which means Year 12 maths. Year 10 maths alone does not give you these skills. A credit card might be the next decision. Which of the myriad of options is best for your personal circumstances? How to choose between fees, interest rates and interest-free periods. Year 12 maths equips you to make informed decisions about these important lifelong issues. Year 10 maths does not. And perhaps you're interested in long-term security and properly understanding your superannuation. The big choice, avocado on toast or voluntary contributions to super. Year 12 maths will equip you to calculate how much super you will have when you retire and how much super you would have if making regular voluntary contributions. Can't do that with Year 10 maths. And then you become a parent. Equal parts excitement and terror, especially when the paediatrician tells you that your child is in the 30th percentile for height and the 45th percentile for weight. Year 12 maths lets you know when to worry and when to relax. Year 12 maths gives our students the skills they need to live in an increasingly complex and data-rich world, which is why under the coalition governments, maths was to become compulsory for all students in Year 12, and it is why this government should support the introduction of compulsory maths from kindergarten to Year 12. We recognise the importance of literacy by requiring compulsory English instruction. We know that language is important to our lives and acknowledge that the literate perform better in workplaces and social situations. It's time to acknowledge that numeracy is just as important. We've just seen Australian figures released about gender pay gaps. UK research shows that there is a link between women not having the equivalent of Year 12 maths and women receiving lower rates of pay than their male colleagues. Indeed, the research shows us that low numeracy has a greater negative effect on women than on men, even when it is combined with effective female literacy. If this government does not reverse its decision and make maths compulsory for all, it is failing to equip our young people for successful independent living, and it is particularly harming female students. Celebrations of International Women's Day are meaningless if not backed by real action to ensure the full participation of women in every aspect of our society.